nice massage.
I was just impressing. Just impressing my jaw.
You could do more.
Yeah. Because if you sneeze, it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable. Scaring the
No.